We're on a roll, so let's just roll on into the next video. All right, you guys, hi and welcome back. My name is Lori, and if you are already a subscriber and you clicked on this video to hang out with me for a little bit, thank you and welcome. Let me know you stopped by leaving a comment down below that says, hey, just stopping by. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you're new, welcome. I greatly appreciate you as well. I have been getting some new subscribers lately. I've noticed my numbers going up. They're going up slowly, but they're going up. I mean, they weren't moving there for a while at all. It's probably because I wasn't posting. But anyway, I'm posting now. So wanted to share something. It's a new product that I ordered it back in the end of September. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it. It's called Guide Beauty, and it was designed from an individual who does have a disability. And for me, like, you know, my hands, I do have a lot of things that are ergonomic. I had multiple surgeries on both upper extremities from here all the way down to from the tips of my nails all the way to my neck, where my discs are very badly damaged. So anyhow, here we go. This is called Guide Beauty. I know, he's like, just Lori, are you going to explain it to us, or are you going to put it closer and let us read it ourselves? No, I'm going to explain it to you. Hey Beauty, we're so happy you've brought us into your life. We hope Guide Beauty adds fun and ease to your makeup routine. We'd love to hear from you. Please reach out with questions or comments here for you at guidebeauty.com. And her name is Terri. So she is absolutely wonderful. I have spoken with her just very briefly, only because she does understand that I do have a disability, and I was kind of a little bit perturbed watching a couple of I should probably be careful here, a couple of bigger influencers that were using this and trying to promote it as if it was some kind of toy. And it's really not. I mean, yes, I would love to see her sales, you know, buy it. But the way it was being presented, I was a little bit annoyed by it, and probably shouldn't have, but if you're disabled, you'd understand. Okay, so you get this real pretty card. And then this is a how-to. I did get the entire thing because I knew I was going to need something like this to help me out. I shouldn't use the word can't anymore, Lori. I don't wear eyeliner. If you've ever looked, you will never see eyeliner on my eyes. That is because it's very difficult with my hands. But anyway, there was a special on the entire line that's like an introductory. It's the full products. Comes in this really cute canvas green bag that has Guide Beauty in black. The little drawstring. All the products are in here. Why is there another box in here? I'm glad you asked. I'll tell you in just a minute. Now, I was going to do a demonstration. I did tell her I was, but I'm not going to do it in this video because I already do have makeup on. However, I am going to do a review on this product that she is, you know, she wants me to tag her, let her know, get a hold of her, let her know I made it. She's curious as to how well I was able to use it. So you do get the guideline. This is the Luxe Long Wearing Eyeliner. This is this right here. Very pretty. And mine, my color right there is brown. And it's very specific. So it's not like you're like looking at 40 shades and deciding which one you want. They're very, very pretty. This jar is absolutely stunning. The packaging, even the way it's designed to help, it just kind of sits in our fingers, helps out, especially if you have like Parkinson's with the shaking. That's what this helps with. And then you have your creamy product inside. Like I said, this is brown. Now inside the box here, See down there? There is a 2 precision tip eyeliner applicators. So I'm just saying, if you were to order this, don't throw this box away. There's 2 applicators in there. 2 extra ones. Let's get this big one out of here. This here is the guide wand. This is where all the magic happens. Her packaging, like I said, is just, look at this. It's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Okay, and then it's, there you go. Okay, this is the guide wand. You're gonna see little notches like this in there. They're in there for a reason. It's designed like that for a reason. You're kind of looking at it going, man, this looks like something from like some medieval, the medieval days. And then her little logo's on that gold. And your finger is going to rest right on that notch. But you're going to take this and skim it right along, just like literally right inside that pot. This one. And just kind of pick up some product, and it's going to be right there. And so what this does, this right here, the way it's designed, it will rest right on your higher cheekbone and allow you to almost guide. Get it? It's a guide. And it just, the eyeliner just comes right off. And if you need any more, you just kind of dip in there, get a little bit more. And you don't press to get, it's just glide across, and then just like that, or underneath your lower lash line. And it allows you to finally, or me, to finally get like a little wing. I've always wanted to wear a wing, but then the other reason why I don't use eyeliner is because of hooded eyelids. And I always thought, oh my gosh, eyeliner up top, inside my waterline, sure. And when I wear falsies and tight line, sure. But that's not the same as having something that you can, you know, rest right there and then just straight without, this hand right here shakes a lot. So this one I have to be really, and this one does most of the work because I'm right. It's called right strength when you're ambidextrous. So I am left dominant, but I am right strength. So I do a lot with my right, the majority with my right, which is why this one is weaker. This one hurts more. It shakes more. It's always swollen and in trouble. Anyway, this is the guide. Now, let's keep moving on. Absolutely stunning. I can't wait to like do a look and just show her, because it's not going to be just, oh, I'm going to try the product and it's a 2-minute video. I don't know. Maybe it will. Shoot, that'd be kind of cool. So little bag's nice and empty. And then, okay, this one is the Brow Moment One Stop Fill Shape and Set Brow Gel. So there's this one right here in the color medium. I had a tough time getting these ones out because they do have that little hole inside there. See it inside the, yeah, it's again, however, no, you're not smoking a pipe. And no, this is not a Quazoo. Was that what it was? A Quazoo or Wazoo? No, that is not what this is. But it does have a very similar shape to something you're probably going, that looks like, yeah. All right, this is for your brows. Okay, see like that? So your fingers are kind of rest. It's easy, it goes right between your fingers. Twist. Your product's in here. And this, my friends, is your brush. So when you're doing your brows, when you guys do your brows, you're like this and pinching. That hurts with somebody that has a disability in their fingers and joints. Mine is what they call multiple crush syndrome. That is the layman terms for it. And it affects the tendon, the nerve, and the muscle. So all of them have had to be relocated in certain areas, tacked, moved. They drilled in the bones, put like another freeway. It's almost like drilling, and there goes another pipeline. where there used to be one, it's not there. They fill that hole in and they make another one and it flows better. Well, that's what they did, the reconstruct. I have scars, you guys, all the way around my elbows. Back to this. It can be very painful. My hands hurt a lot. They shake. So doing your brows, you have it like this. Perfect. And you're able to, and just the way that she had it designed like that, and you can just get those brows without that pinching. Oh God, that hurts so bad. And it's very pretty. Very pretty. This one over here is black. This one here is the Lash Wrap Volumizing Smudge Proof Tubing Mascara. That's it, very pretty. Her packaging's gorgeous. Okay, now let me tell you a little story on this one. We'll make it quick. Same. Twist. And I love how all of her gold Guide Beauty is stamped on her tubing. There's your product. And there's your mascara wand. See, it makes it so much easier. Just for me grabbing it to show it to you guys is proof enough. Or proof. It's just proof that this thing has a lot of wonderful, wonderful features to it that help. But anyhow, just this is mascara. Now, this one here, this is dry. I received this one and it was in the color black because that's the color I chose. Unfortunately, for some reason, this tube, it went dry. Doesn't mean that they didn't fill it, but there's, you know, there's things that happen once in a while. I got a hold of her and I was going to send this back. And she said, no. Just, you know, my point is this was here overnight. I got a hold of her on Instagram in the afternoon, and by the end of that day, I was receiving a tracking number, or she was waiting for a tracking number. Very next morning, it was, here's your tracking number, here's what's going on. And so it was, here's the day you let them know. Next day, your package is on its way. So literally one day of shipping, of traveling, and boom, to my front door is a replacement. So, my deepest apologies. It was the brow gel, not the mascara. I'm sorry. I was going to say, that looked a little wet, the lash wrap. I was like, wait a minute, this stuff looked pretty wet. It was the brow gel. There was nothing inside this one here. I was going to say when I opened this one, I totally forgot. That's my apologies. Corrections being made right now. Disclaimer, I'm correcting it. All right. I just, don't be calling no attorneys yet. All right. YouTube, back the hell up. I'm fixing it right now. It was the brow. There's the product in here. The product's, it's dry. There's like nothing. It's like nothing. So anyhow, I can't use it. But my point is, she right away sent me overnight. Here you go, quick and fast. Here's a replacement. The Brow Moment One Stop Fill Shape and Set Brow Gel in the color medium. So that's how amazing she is. And I absolutely love, you know, the way she handles everything. But everything, you know, it's personal to her. And if you go and hear her story, you understand that she too as well is dealing with disabilities, which is how this product came about. It was hard for her to put mascara on. It was hard for her to do her eyeliner. And, you know, as you're designing ergonomic products and, you know, gadgets, why not the brows? Next, I'm hoping she does something with the lips or brushes. I don't know, something like that, that you can hold them a different way. Anyway, that's it. That's everything that I have for Guide Beauty. I don't know. What do you guys think about it? Are any of you interested in something like this? Is this something you could benefit from? I mean, do any of you have You don't have to be over 50 to have issues with your joints. You could be 20, 30, you could be 15 years old and have issues with your joints. If you're female or male and you wear makeup, would you benefit from something like this? If so, drop me a little line down there and I will, well, you'll see the link to her. Visit her on Instagram, Guide Beauty, and go check it out. And I hope I just made you a new friend. And I hope I just set you on the path to buying a new product that's going to help out with things that are difficult for you, just like they did for me. So anyway, that's it for now, you guys. I would greatly appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button over there before you take off. Okay? All right. You guys take care, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, God, can you tell I'm tuckering out? Good night, you guys. Have a good weekend. Bye.